6th of August 2024. Here's iela 10. Staircase, first one. With the apartments 1 to 37.
36.
Oh, 36. It's also in Imanta, one of his verbs of Riga, Latvia. Let's write it. 9, but that's look at that. There's no 10th floor.
Yeah.
The ninth floor is the top floor.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, no.
not working.
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
I love the sunset smell here.
Yeah, same.
Go down to the first floor.
It's 55. Runt 20 palautus on every script.
There is the serial number.
Yeah.
I don't see
Yeah.
it, but do you see it?
Yeah, 214.
Yeah, okay. You can press. Pretty cool sounds actually.
Yeah.
The machine is original.
Yeah.
Best is 4 plus or 20 grams. I think the interior looks original also.
Yeah.
I'll see the
Yeah.
red.
Yeah.
I've seen that in Estonia also. It's very rare
No.
in Estonia.
Yes.
Yeah.
That building also has horizontal elevators.
Yeah.
I have filmed one of them, and you don't have filmed any of them, but later.
Yeah. Can be done later.
Yeah.
It hasn't been memorized.
Yeah.
I love the sounds.
Same.
But unfortunately Finland missed this.
Yeah.
Let's go down. I think somebody had the flowers.
Yeah.
It smells like flowers.
Yeah. That's